we landed on Galoa, we met up with the RFMF engineers that were already here, and the place was quite a mess, and there was a lot of debris on the ground. In particular, this classroom behind us was completely collapsed, and all that was left was just the floor. And then down below the hill was the boarding house for the kids. So we were able to remove that roof on the boarding house and put a new roof and a new awning on. And then with this classroom, we're nearing completion, but we were able to put new walls up in a similar layout to what was previously there, just so that it represents and has a similar function to the previous buildings that were in place.
So we've had to improvise in a few areas, obviously, with the netting rather than the glass windows. What we could do and the previous structure we have. Ryan, what did you do next door there? Just tidy up?
No, we didn't really do it.
This is a bit of a steep road that runs by past here. It'll look complete. We've just left a couple of small items and one wall. Still left of that? Are we able to just carry this one? Yeah. Fijian Engineers, RFMF, doing a great job working together.
So we're just helping the ADF engineers trying to get things together to complete the projects on time.
Great, thank you.
Guttering's going on. We've got a water tank coming in sometime in the next 2 days, which will go on the accommodation block so that the children have water at their block. A second tank will get put onto the kitchen area so they've got water for cooking. Yeah, and then the big push after this is now to finish that kitchen, which we're tracking before. There'll be a big surge coming in the next day once all the smaller jobs are done. The teamwork between the Australians and the Fijians, so I've worked with a lot of different nations, and I think this working relationship that we've built out here is the strongest I've ever seen between Australia and another nation. Like, it's been excellent. Like, and hats off to these guys. They're amazing workers.